About 80 million people in Europe suffer from some type of disability due to the aging of the population, and this is expected to increase in the upcoming years. Applications that can track the daily activity of these people and react accordingly are paramount of importance. A key point here that has a significant impact to the decision taken by these applications is the relevant position of the users. Taking this into account in the context of the Smart for All project and its financial support, University of Peloponnese collaborated with BeSecure SME to design and implement a highly flexible interlocalization system which estimates end-user position and provides all this information to the relevant applications through well-defined APIs. This collaborative experiment resulted in a localization system with position accuracy that can reach up to 30 centimeters, interfaces for other applications to interact with our localization system and obtain location-related data, and finally, a highly customizable user interface that can be adapted to any application requirements.
BeSecure is a leading provider of governance, risk and compliance services, cybersecurity solutions, managed security services, certification training, and awareness programs, trusted by global organizations across telecommunication, financial services, energy industries, and other medium-large enterprises. BeSecure aims to offer services based on or related to localization capabilities. In this context, it was very important for us that the specific application experiments led to a system of adequate maturity to be deployed in different real indoor environments for validating its end-to-end functionality. This pilot deployment is expected to provide us with valuable feedback that will help in increasing the system adaptability and localization accuracy. Furthermore, we are thankful to Smart for All for additional services offered regarding networking, coaching, and ecosystem building that will enable us to grow even further.